How is the Kortext study platform accessible? Kortext supports accessibility from the inside out, using Level AA of the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.2. This is to ensure that all users get the chance to interact with their learning materials in a way that suits them. Our continued commitment to accessibility has been recognized by our achievement of the 100% Gold Aspire score in 2023, based on the quality of content in our accessibility statement. Within the Kortext e-reader, users can personalize the background color, page width and style, as well as text size and font style by choosing from a variety of display options that best suit your needs. If you prefer to listen to your content, use our Read Aloud feature in the top right of the page. Use the Read Aloud menu to select from a choice of narrators, adjust the reading pace, and skip forward and back as required. Kortext is fully compatible with a variety of screen reader software, including JAWS, TalkBack, VoiceOver, and NV Access, so you can access your study materials using a program you're used to. Explore Kortext hands-free, using keyboard shortcuts to navigate the platform. Use the Tab key to change the focus area, and make a selection by pressing the Enter key. Kortext supports individuals with color vision deficiencies by never using color as a sole identifier, with highlights being shown with an underline, and keyboard shortcut selections identified by their purple border. In addition to our more visual accessibility features, there are a variety of other ways that we support content accessibility on our platform, including through coded alt text, navigational tagging, and more. For more information, read our accessibility statement or contact our support team via support@kortext.com.